Hello, in this video I want to show you how to auto scan for channels in HISENSE Smart TV. To do this, we'll need to click on the gear icon in the top left corner of the screen, find the channel, click on it and then select auto scan. Now if you're doing it for the first time, you will need to set up a pin on your device, and I'm gonna go with simple 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll need to confirm it. If you're making more complicated pin, I recommend to write it on a piece of paper and save it somewhere if you forget it. Then we can choose to search for channels using satellite, antenna or cable. We can go for satellite and antenna. Then the operator satellite we can change to Canal Plus or NC Plus or standard, for me at least. We can proceed. We can change our satellite system with single satellite, DISEQC or unicable. Then an unicable device, you can choose one if you have, and then unicable setup. Sadly I don't have it, I'm here just to show you all of the options. Then satellite connection, you can also do it if you want, and mode setup satellite, mode setup antenna, and here at the end, if you've performed the setup properly and have a connection with satellite or antenna, it should start to find the channels. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.